Hi everyone, it is time to open this year's Series 1 version of Topps Baseball. I went with Jumbo this year. Usually I go with Hobby, but learning from last year and how hard it was to find cards around the Orange County area, I went all out and got Jumbo this year. Alright, I've been staring at this for a few days, waiting to open it, and here we go. Oh, first, it features Shohei Ohtani of the Angels. We are guaranteed one autograph and two relics in here. And yeah, here we go. All right, we're gonna open it this way. Oh, we got a Future Stars Andrew Vaughn top loader here. Very nice. There's the back there. All right. And then we get these two packs with it. Now with Jumbo, there are 10 packs in here with 46 cards each. For time purposes, we're only going to open two. So there's the two we're going to open. Slide those over there. All right, there's the packs. That's what they look like. And here we go, the first pack of the year. All right, everyone here is looking for Wander Francos. So, but the first card we get is Mookie Betts for 2022. There's a look at it. I like the design this year. The names are bigger, which is nice, because last year they were kind of small. And there's the back of the card. All right. Let's see what we get here. Mason Thompson, former Padre. Now, usually the inserts or the parallels will be in the back of the pack. Gee, man, joy. So we'll see here. Now, again, everyone is looking for Wander Francos. He himself, his cards have lit up the hobby again. So from watching previous, there's Fernando. From previous videos I've been watching, you want to look for the Corbin Burns, which is the card preceding Wander Franco. Ooh, we got a Bryce Harper short print. Nice. All right, and we got a gold Brian De La Cruz. Ooh, they have these flashiest feet shoe cards this year. That's for it's Francisco Lindor and Corbin Burns. All right, oh, well, that's the wrong Corbin Burns we're looking for. We're looking for the base card that indicates we have a Wander Franco. All right, pack 2 of this video. I'll open the rest off camera. And if I get any hits, I'll post it to my Instagram. But here we go, pack 2. I like the clean design this year. That's nice. There's Vlad. Let's see. Tyler Gilbert, Cedric Mullins. There's Shohei. He's our #1 card this year. #1 of the set. Del Cabrera. Let's see. We might be getting... No, we're getting to the end of this pack. Brian De La Cruz rookie card. Brandon Marsh. Very underrated hitter here in Anaheim. Oh, we got a redemption card. Oh, did we? Yes. Of Dale Murphy. 87 autograph. Wow. All right. I'll have to send this in and update you guys on how that works. Wow. All right. We'll put that aside. Got Alcides Escobar refractor a Bo Jackson, and a Akil Baddoo. All right, at least we got this. You are due to receive a 87 Topps Baseball Autograph card black parallel of Dale Murphy. Nice. All right, I have to send this in, and I'll update you guys. But thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day.